Ever thought a robot could recognize faces, perceive emotions, sense the changes in environment, read text and interpret just like humans? Meet AI Lite, a robotic constructor kit, employs a cutting-edge communication system that taps into the brainpower of smartphones and tablets, including their extensive suite of sensors, to teach AI to students ages 7 to 13. AI Lite is compatible with the world's leading AI and coding platforms like MIT App Inventor, Scratch, pocketcode, Phiro Code and Scratch for AIWS. Excited? Let's watch some AI projects. The Phiro Code program makes AI Lite to sense the tone and emotions from speech.
Hello. Please say move command.
Move forward, you good robot.
Sure, I will move forward now.
Move back, you bad robot.
I am sorry, I will move backward now.
Turn left, you lazy robot.
No, I will not do as you say.
AI Lite can be programmed to read and interpret text, recognize humans, detect objects using computer vision, natural language processing, and machine learning. Using speech recognition, it can communicate in 90 different languages. Students can also use the Scratch platform to sequentially code and explore coding and robotics. The possibilities with AI Lite are infinite. What are you waiting for? Pre-book now.